welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome to my page. My name is Jazz. I make videos on fitness, locks, and sometimes I do vlogs as well. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you like it here. If you are not new here, hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. If you guys have not yet subscribed, please remember to hit that subscribe button. I would much appreciate it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right on into the video. Today I am coming at you guys with a lock video. Today I'm going to be talking about my experience with attempting to color my hair. So back in November of last year, I did attempt to color my hair with a box dye, and it didn't really go as well as I wanted it to go. I did attempt to color my hair like a reddish, brownish type color, and I did use box dye, and it didn't necessarily go terribly bad. Like, I didn't get damaged hair or anything. However, I just noticed that the color, it just is not very vibrant, as you can see. It kind of just looked like it's regular old color, unless you see my hair in like the perfect lighting. So if the sun is hitting my hair just perfect, or the lighting inside is hitting my hair just perfect, then you can see like the lightened hair towards the end of it. You can kind of see the reddish brownish tint. So I'm going to go ahead and insert some of the footage of me coloring my hair. I'm also going to insert some pictures in that perfect lighting that I was talking about, just so you can see what it did take to my hair. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys some clips of that, and then I'm going to come back and talk a little bit more about my experience. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today is a very exciting video. Today I am actually going to attempt to color my hair. I've never colored my hair ever before, not even before I was locked. So I have never colored treated my hair, with the exception of a henna treatment that I did do right before I did the big chop to go natural. And that's not even technically really like a permanent chemical dye, so I kind of really don't count that. I pretty much have virgin hair. I'm going to be dyeing for the very first time. Like I said, I'm a little nervous. So if this doesn't come out the way that I want, then I'm probably just gonna dye it black. If it just comes out awful and terrible, hopefully it doesn't. And whenever I do want to color, I'm just gonna go to a professional. But I just wanted to really give it a try to see if I could do it myself. So the color that I'm going for is this kind of like reddish, burgundy-ish, brownish, auburnish color. I got the Dark and Lovely brand. The color is berry burgundy. I also got another box dye just to kind of try this out too as well, if I need another color. This is the second box I got. I got two boxes because I actually did a strand test to see which color that I was gonna like best. But I actually did the strand test last night and the color did not take. And I'm thinking it's because I did not leave the color on long enough. So I'm hoping that when I do like my full head, that it's actually gonna take. So I'm a little nervous, but wish me luck, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. All right. So I'm done. I've applied all the product. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. Since it did kind of take me a little bit of time to apply it, I'm gonna let it sit about 30 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm gonna braid and band it before I rinse it. So I will do that after this is sat. I'm gonna braid and band and then I will rinse, and after I rinse it, I'm going to then deep condition it and hopefully it turns out decent. I'm a little nervous because I did use both boxes. I used all of the first, I used all of the Dark and Lovely, and then I used most of the Garnier. Now the colors are extremely similar, so they're somewhat similar. This one's a little like more of like a burgundy-ish. Even though this is called burgundy, I feel like this looks more burgundy. But we'll see what happens. I'm a little nervous. The colors are similar, but they are a little bit different. This one's a little darker. So we're gonna see how it comes out. And like I said, if it comes out awful, I'm just gonna dye it black. And then I'll let it grow out for some years. And then the next time I color, it will be with a professional. But like I said, I am fully immersed in this DIY life. So I'm going to see how it works. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit and hopefully it all works out okay. And we're back. So yeah, as you can see, I went through the entire process of coloring my hair. I did use 2 different types of box dyes, as you can see. I did not use I did not pre-lighten my hair, so I did not bleach my hair before applying the color. I kind of think that that's probably what I'm gonna have to do. Now I don't know if my hair just didn't take very well to color, if it really does need to be lifted before it gets colored, or if I just didn't do it correctly. Maybe I didn't leave it on long enough. I really don't know. I have decided that I'm just not going to try to color my hair at home. Now I really wanted to embrace the full DIY experience. I did look on YouTube and there are so many women that did such a great job with dyeing their hair at home. However, unfortunately, I was just not one of those people that had a very good experience. Like I said, it wasn't necessarily a nightmare experience or anything. I just feel like it didn't really take the way that I wanted to. So I will 100% be going to a professional cosmetologist to get my hair colored. I'm thinking that I really want to do it sometime between my 2 years, which is coming up in November. I'm super excited, and my birthday. So it would probably be within the next like 6 months or so. Hopefully I will have colored hair and you guys will definitely be the first to know. So I'm really excited about that. I just think it's really important to make sure that we are really keeping in mind the health of hair. So I just do not want to touch any bleach myself. I know so many people do it and they have great results, but I personally am just so afraid of like completely like messing my hair up, having my locks break off, having to start all the way over. Like I just have so many like fears inside myself about doing that myself. So I will definitely be leaving the professionals. So ladies, if you have had any experience either with coloring your hair at home with a box dye, bleaching your hair at home, or getting your hair colored with a professional, please let me know in the comments what you have done and what you prefer. Drop some knowledge, drop some tips, some experiences, some stories, whatever you have about hair color with locks. Definitely let us know in the comments. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video here. Again, thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with a friend, all that good stuff. Turn on the notifications so you can know when I post a video, and follow me on Instagram at jazz.so.strong, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for joining me again, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.